Have you ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others struggle to get off the ground? The answer often lies in a powerful tool, a unique value proposition. Imagine walking into a vast marketplace bustling with vendors. Each one is selling identical apples. But there's one stall in the corner that attracts a trail of customers. Why? They're offering apples too, but theirs come with a unique twist. They're organically grown, hand-picked, and come with a recipe for a mouth-watering apple pie. That's their unique value proposition, the reason why customers choose them over others. In the world of business, your unique value proposition is your golden ticket. It's the compelling reason why customers should choose your product or service over others in the market. It's the promise of value that only you can deliver. So, how does one develop this powerful tool? It's a process that's more art than science, but let's break it down into digestible steps. First, start by understanding your target market. Dive deep into their needs, their pain points, their desires. What are they looking for? What problems are they trying to solve? The more you know about them, the better you can tailor your offering to match their needs. Next, study your competition. What are they offering? How are they positioning themselves? Where are their weaknesses? This will help you find gaps in the market that you can fill. Now that you have a good understanding of your market and competition, it's time to define your product or service. What makes it unique? How does it solve your customers' problems in a way that no one else can? This is the heart of your unique value proposition. Finally, articulate your unique value proposition in a clear and compelling way. It should be a concise statement that communicates the unique value your product or service offers. Remember, it's not just about what you do, but how you do it differently and better. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating a killer unique value proposition. To recap, start by understanding your target market and competition. Define what makes your product or service unique and articulate it in a clear and compelling way. Remember, a unique value proposition is more than just a marketing tool. It's a compass that guides your business decisions, helps you stay focused, and propels you towards your goals. So take the time to craft it carefully. And that's a wrap on today's topic. So, whether you're launching a startup, rebranding an existing business, or just looking to gain a competitive edge, a unique value proposition can be your secret weapon. Come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.